Hello, friends! In the face of intensifying competition and declining demand for flagship models, Mercedes-Benz is taking decisive steps to maintain its position in the premium car market. One of the key novelties will be the updated Mercedes-Benz S-Class, with its official premiere expected in early 2026. Initial details are already available, giving us a glimpse of what the new flagship will look like and the strategic role it is set to play. The changes begin with the exterior. Designers have chosen an evolutionary approach, giving the car a more expressive and prestigious appearance. One of the most striking new elements will be the enlarged front grille, which will stretch almost to the front bumper, creating a powerful and confident look. The lighting system will also be upgraded. The headlights and taillights will feature new graphic elements in the shape of the three-pointed star, similar to the latest E-Class generation. Turn signals will follow the same design philosophy. Although this style may evoke mixed reactions, Mercedes is committed to a unified corporate design language that will be recognizable across the entire lineup. A smooth transition from exterior to interior reveals even more significant updates. The interior of the new S-Class will feature an updated version of the Hyperscreen dashboard, which first debuted on the E-Class. However, in the flagship model, it will be more advanced. Larger displays, narrower gaps between them, and an overall sense of seamlessness and technological sophistication. The driver's cluster, multimedia system, and passenger display will be visually and functionally integrated into a unified structure, emphasizing luxury and innovation. All of this is aimed at regaining lost attention for the model, as sales of the current generation have gradually declined. On the technical side, Mercedes has not made radical changes, instead focusing on the versatility and diversity of existing solutions. The updated S-Class will be offered with a wide range of powertrains, starting with the S500, featuring a 3-liter inline-6 engine with mild hybrid technology, and up to the flagship Maybach S680, powered by a 6-liter V12, producing 621 horsepower. The mid-tier S580 will remain with its 4-liter V8 without electrification, while a plug-in hybrid S580e will cater to those who prefer modern tech. A standout in the lineup will be the AMG S63e Performance, a hybrid featuring a 4-liter V8 that delivers an impressive 802 horsepower and 1,430 newtons of torque. With a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time of just 3.3 seconds, this sedan will rank among the fastest in its class. Interestingly, Mercedes originally planned to unveil the updated S-Class at the end of 2025, but the timeline has since been revised. This change reflects a major strategic shift. The company has abandoned its previous goal of becoming an all-electric brand by 2030. The new approach involves a more flexible strategy, keeping internal combustion engine models in the lineup for a longer period. In this sense, the updated S-Class embodies a new balance, blending classic engineering with innovative technology, which is particularly relevant amid the current uncertainty surrounding the electric vehicle market.